students. I have already told you in the previous videos that the king was executed on 21st January 1793, and the control came under the Jacobin Club, and the leader of Jacobin Club was the Maximilien Robespierre. He became a ruler of the France, right? And after becoming a ruler from 1793, then up to 1793 to 94, that year is known as the reign of terror. टेरर तो मतलब समझते हैं आप लोग, आतंक, डर, भय, यू नो. तो रीन का मतलब होता है कंट्रोल. सो द कंट्रोल केम अंडर द टेरर. वाई? I tell you, because his policies, Robespierre's policies were of severe control and punishment. Means he used to punish all those people who spoke against him or did not like his methods or policies. And if they were found guilty or they caught speaking against the country or the government, then they were guillotined. Guillotine क्या है? Guillotine is a kind of device which is used to behead the people. Behead का मतलब उसको गर्दन उसकी काट देना. That is beheaded. और and this device was discovered by Dr. Guillotine. This you remember. Who invented this device? Dr. Guillotine. Right? Okay. What was the severe control and punishment? I told you that he imposed taxes on wages and prices, and he forced the peasants to transport their grain to the cities, right? And expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat that plain digalite that is called equally bread. All citizens, चाहे अमीर हो चाहे गरीब हो, सबको एक जैसा ही ब्रेड खाना था. And a loaf made of whole wheat. होल व्हीट का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे एक जैसा सारा. एंड इक्वलिटी वॉज ऑल्सो सॉट टू बी प्रैक्टिस्ड, ठीक है, थ्रू द फॉर्म्स ऑफ स्पीच एंड एड्रेस. ओके. एंड मॉन्सियर एंड मैडम वर द words which were traditionally practiced for men and women. All French men and women were called citoyen and citoyennes. Men were called citoyen and men were called citoyennes. So he brought equality, right? Churches were shut down. Churches were not working in his period, and buildings were converted, means changed into a barracks or offices. That they were made either offices or they were made barracks. That is called for the keeping arms and ammunition and putting prisoners. And he persuaded his policies so relentlessly, means very carelessly. Relentlessly means very carelessly, without thinking about the good or bad. He used to practice his policies, and because of these policies, people even became against him. And finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794 and arrested. And next day, he was sent to the guillotine, where he used to send the people for beheading. So this is all end of the Robespierre Club, that is called Jacobins Club. This is the end of Jacobins Club. Thank you.